Mid-Michigan's station, ABC 12. This is ABC 12 News.
Root canal. Those two words can be more frightening than the most ghoulish Halloween costume.
But root canals may actually get a bad rap. In fact, some people say they are easier to go through than a filling.
Leslie LeBeau is here to try and calm some fears. I find that hard to believe.
Yeah.
I'd rather have a root canal. It's what people say when they really don't want to do something, but it turns out the procedure really isn't as bad as a lot of things you could do.
I've had one.
Root canal even sounds kind of scary, but that may be all there is to it.
I think the fear of the hurt is more, is the worrier than the actual pain.
In fact, Flint endodontist Michael Linneman says it is really the problem that leads up to the root canal that is actually the painful part.
The tissue was devital or dead, or you had a deep cavity. You were in pain first. The root canal treatment is what resolves the problem.
To get rid of the pain, the dentist cleans out the infection from your tooth canals by drilling a hole in the tooth, removing infected pulp. The canal is then filled, and hopefully the tooth is saved.
We basically take the cause of the problem and get rid of it, which is the dead tissue, out, and then place something to prevent bacteria from living there again.
Truth be told, all Sandra had was a little numbing local anesthesia, no nitrous oxide, and she is clearly wide awake.
He said he wasn't going to hurt me. So I'm counting on that.
Now, there can be a little bit of pain a couple days after the procedure, but overall, it's worked out well for Sandra.
It wasn't any fun. But then I don't think, other than the cleaning, no trip to the dentist is fun.
Okay. At the root of it all is usually an untreated cavity, which is why you should have regular checkups and take care of your teeth. Just
Okay, so it's not so much, just the drill, vibrating your head around and...
It's the noise. It's a horrible noise.
Yeah.
It's the shots. It's
Regular dental checkups help to avoid that.
hug your endodontist.
Thanks, Leslie.